Is yogurt really something worth trying out for your skin, or is it a definite no-no? Well, in this video, I am going to show you how to DIY your own yogurt face mask at home and how it can actually transform your skin and make it glow naturally without having to use any other product. So if you want to stick around and see the benefits, then you should definitely watch this video. Hello everyone, if you're new here, my name is Flavia of Your Beauty Secrets, where we give you tips and tricks on how to achieve the best self-care at home using quality products and ingredients that are right in your kitchen. So I have nothing on my skin right now, but for the sake of demonstration, I'm just going to clean my face again with face wipe. Yeah? You just have to make sure that your skin is really clean because you're going to add a layer of so many things. So yeah, clean everything. Clean your skin, just apply the yogurt in circular motions all over your skin, and then maybe a little bit in your neck if you feel like that's a problem area for you. So this is how I do mine, yeah? So one of the reasons why I like this yogurt face mask is it actually moisturizes your skin and just keeps you looking hydrated. Then at the same time, it can help you to cure any skin infections if you're someone who suffers from eczema. I don't usually like it going down to my neck, but well, to each their own. If you feel like you want to get your skin looking good around your neck area, sometimes you may feel like you have a little bit of wrinkles, because yogurt also helps to clear any fine lines and wrinkles. Then you can definitely apply. I like mine to just stay here around my chin. Wondering about what yogurt to use, I definitely advise you to use the plain yogurt instead of using any flavored yogurts, because they have more colorings and they have more ingredients that may actually be more dangerous for your skin or may irritate your skin. So plain yogurt is the way to go, and this is a mask that you can keep on for just 30 minutes. You wash it off and you can definitely feel the results. Now, one of the things that you should expect is your skin is actually going to feel more moisturized and hydrated, so you may find yourself looking a little bit glowy. And if you have any acne or any dark circles in some areas, the yogurt face mask is something that you should really use in your skincare routine, and it's going to really give you some very good improvement. So this is what my skin looks like after I have taken off the yogurt. Preferably, you can also use some olive oil just to add a little bit moisture after you wash your face. Give yourself a little bit more of a glow. And yeah, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this kind of content, guys, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment in the comment section below and let us know how your experience went as you use the yogurt face mask. Until the next video, bye.